position in
Moving up. Sorry, I can't.
Found a path leading directly to the village. Let's move.
I'm in position.
This guy, Page, he used to be Special Forces.
We need
Got
some
captured
help
by
out here.
Al-Qaeda terrorists. He took out the guard.
Thanks for the backup.
But instead of escaping,
Let's go,
he joined. Started calling himself the Zealot. Called America an imperialist hegemony. Says he'd rather die as a terrorist than live as an economist. Got enemy outposts ahead.
Oh shit! Bravo 1, Hawk 2 is down.
Сука, блядь!
Down. Moving it now.
Lincoln was down to the crash site.
Hang on, Carter. We're almost there. We're pinned. Can't reach Carter's position. They're fucking swarming us. We need support.
This is Washington. Walker and I are inbound.
Find cover. Tango sighted. 12 o'clock. I need some cover fire. Hostile. 4 o'clock.
The area is clear. Let's enter the village.
Carter! Move! God damn it! Washington! Walker! We need fire team support! Move it! Move it! Hello, Hill. Need some cover! I need cover fire! Oh, shit! Help! Oh, shit! Enemy! Up front! Tango, right ahead of me! Good lord! Let's run! Move it! Contact! Up front! What the hell?
Area's clear.
We've got anti-aircraft batteries near your position.
Copy. We'll take them out. Walker, Washington, take out those AA batteries. Anderson and I will check the crash for survivors. Good luck.
Confirmed kill. Enemy spotted! 12 o'clock! Take cover now!
Hostiles on the far side of the bridge.
Fire down! Hostile at your six! Oh shit! Where's cover fire?
Can't even return fire. We need to fight them. Come on, we're getting close to the anti-aircraft gun. There's the AA battery with the C4 charges.
Can't get her. That's behind cover. Oh, incoming. Oh. Flush him out. Incoming. Got her.
American!
What the hell? Kick ass.
Look! Over there! This is Washington. Taking out the anti-aircraft battery.
Copy that. Mark 1, you're cleared to destroy the final tower. Copy. Walker, Washington. Watch for shrapnel. Need cover. Switching mags. Oh, incoming. Good shot.
Get back to our primary objective. Capturing Edward Page. Let's go.
No survivors at the crash site. Copy. Locate and secure Edward Page. Roger that. We're following you, Walker. Rush in position. Move to a cover point. Move to a cover point. Cover me. Changing magazine. I can't get a shot.
Give me a sit rep.
We're pinned down. Got a sniper on the top floor of that tower.
Hawk 2, this is Washington. We've got Rangers pinned down by sniper fire. Requesting air support.
Acknowledged. Air support inbound. Target eliminated. Oh, shit! Changing magazine. Right return. Another kill. Oh! I'm changing mag. Tango neutralized. No clear shot. Oh shit! Watch out! Grenade! What the hell?
Walker, we need to confirm the kill on that sniper or take him out. Gamma 2, do we have any update on Page's location?
Negative.
Just hope that he wasn't our sniper. Need him alive.
Get the cover! Tango shield! Frag! Grenade! Clear out!
Shoot those dogs!
Frag out!
General Butler's book on war. Page was obsessed with it. He was our sniper, so where the hell... Ah!
I suppose you were looking for me?
Find that bastard!
I'm hit. But we found Payne. Walker's closing in on him. Copy that. Where are you? At the tower. Just above the courtyard. But Page is our priority. He's about 80 meters north of my position. Understood. We're on our way. Walker, Page is going to be scanning the area. Looking for you. Stay out of sight.
Operation Paperclip for MK Ultra. Walker, you still with us?
Talk, you son of a bitch! There's no point in keeping it a secret. You're too late. General Tong is planning a second wave of attacks against the American Empire. The campaign is being coordinated from Pangun Airfield in North Korea. Your nation will now pay for all the atrocities committed in the name.
Shut your cake-hole, you terrorist freak. Gamma 2, this is Sergeant Downs. We've secured Page, and we have a location on General Tong. Sending the intel to you now.
Intel gathered during